Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Web Coding. My name is Durgesh Sahani. In the previous video, we created the Laravel Inertia React project, connected MySQL, ran migrations, and opened the starter app in the browser. In this episode, we will design the e-commerce database foundation and create the first two models, category and product. Before writing migrations, let us keep the database design simple and clear. We need categories to group products and products to store the actual e-commerce items. The categories table stores product groups like laptops, mobiles, accessories, or clothing. We need name, slug, optional description, status, and timestamps. The products table stores each item. Every product belongs to one category. So the products table needs category ID, name, slug, description, price, stock, image, status, and timestamps. The relationship is simple. One category has many products and one product belongs to one category. Now we generate the category model with a migration. The -m option tells Laravel to create the migration file with the model. Let us run the category command. Laravel will create the model and a new create categories table migration. Now we update the generated categories migration. We keep Laravel's generated structure and add only the columns we need after the ID column. Name stores the display name. Slug gives us a URL friendly value. Description is optional and status lets us enable or disable a category. Next, we update the category model. The fillable array allows these fields for mass assignment. Then we write the products relationship. This tells Laravel that one category can have many products. Now we generate the product model with a migration. This gives us the second table and the model class for product data. Let us run the product command. Laravel creates the product model and a create products table migration. Now we update the products migration. The most important column is category ID because every product belongs to a valid category. After that, we add name, slug, description, price, stock, image, and status. This is enough for the first version of our e-commerce admin panel. Next, we update the product model with fillable fields and casts. The casts make sure price, stock, and status come back with the right data types. Then we write the category relationship. This tells Laravel that one product belongs to one category. Now we add the migration command. This will create the categories and products tables in MySQL. Let us run the migrations and confirm Laravel creates the new e-commerce tables. Finally, we check the migration status. This confirms that Laravel has executed our new migration files. Quick recap. We designed the database foundation, generated category and product models, updated migrations, added Eloquent relationships, and ran the migrations. In the next video, we will use Laravel's built-in authentication and start shaping the admin layout for this Inertia React app. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share it with other developers. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and subscribe to Learn Web Coding for future updates.